Fabricating a PCB. Using dry film or photoresist. Export your design. Go to Word. Import your design. Note: do not adjust the size of the image. Copy the design and paste. Flip the one horizontally. Also import the hole mask, we can use it later. Set the layout, paper size of 4. Go to Print, and Printer Properties Advance, and set the quality to 600 by 600. Cut the printed circuit. The white border to the actual size of your PCB. Next, clean the copper clad using 1000 grit sandpaper to remove the oxidized area. After sanding, wipe it using a piece of cloth and alcohol to remove copper dust. Before you start applying the dry film, make sure you are in a dimly lit environment. Get your dry film. Some parts of the dry film may have imperfections. Make sure to use a section of the dry film that has no cuts or wavy lines, because these can affect the output quality of your PCB. Cut it according to the size of your PCB, but leave a small allowance so it will be easier to place. The dry film has plastic covers on both sides. I used adhesive tape to remove one of the covers. First, I cut 2 small pieces of tape. Then, I placed one piece of tape on one side of the dry film and the other piece on the opposite side. Slowly peel the tape apart until one of the plastic covers also peels off. Don't peel off the entire plastic cover immediately. Do it slowly while placing the dry film onto the copper clad. Then, wipe it sideways to ensure that no air bubbles are trapped inside. Repeat the process until the entire dry film is properly placed. Next, cut the excess dry film. Get some oil, such as baby oil, and apply it to the paper. This will make the paper translucent, and stiff, allowing it to stick properly to the copper clad. After that, position the 2 printed papers back to back. To make sure they are properly aligned, you can use a flashlight as a background light source to help you align them accurately. Apply some oil to the copper clad, with the dry film attached. Then, place the printed paper on top of it. Since the papers are placed back to back, make sure that the inverted side of the design is facing you. If the design contains text, make sure the text is readable. Otherwise, your circuit pattern will be transferred incorrectly. Make sure to remove any trapped air bubbles. After that, we can now start exposing it to UV light. It is better to use a larger UV light so the PCB can be exposed evenly. After exposing it to UV light, partially peel off the paper and check if the circuit pattern has been transferred properly. If the circuit is transferred correctly, you can now completely remove the paper. Now wipe it using a piece of cloth. Then, scratch the edge of the PCB. so we can create an entry point dot to remove the upper plastic cover layer. Dip the PCB into the sodium carbonate solution for about 3 seconds, then lift it and wait for 5 to 7 seconds until you notice the dry film color becoming more vivid. The exposed areas will turn darker, while the unexposed areas will remain light blue. After that, dip the PCB into clean water and get a sponge soaked with water. Then, slowly wipe the PCB using the sponge while gently squeezing it so that water continuously flows onto the surface. Repeat this process until all the excess or unexposed areas are completely removed. Wipe it again. Expose the PCB again so that the dry film on the traces will become much harder. If you see some dry film left, just scrape it off gently. After that, prepare the etching solution. Put the PCB into the etching solution and gently shake it until the excess copper is removed and only the traces are left. After that, wash the PCB using running water to remove the ferric chloride. And wipe it again. Put the PCB into the sodium carbonate, again to remove the dry film. The dry film will automatically peel off. And wash it again. Wipe it again. Next is an optional process only.